we're headed back to the yurt. It's been 7 months. Hopefully everything is looking a-okay when we arrive. Oh my. Yes. Looks good, Crystal. Yeah, looks really good.
Oh, it smells good in here.
Wow, it looks great.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can feel that. That's the legere problem right there. You can feel it dip down. Weldon just made sure that this back door is protected from any violent winds coming from the other direction because the strong winds come in this direction.
Yeah, it's good. It's so, I forget how bright it is.
Yeah. Here's our little living room area. Looks great, Crystal. Okay, so we're going to be living in this yurt for the next month or so. I'm expecting 3 or 4 videos from the yurt, and this is video 1.
Trying to keep it up.
We should keep these. The forecast is calling for a lot of rain this week. So we'll see how it goes. It's going to be probably pretty awesome in that yurt. This Yurt's Canada yurt stood up to the 7 months alone, no problem. Over our stay here, we're going to figure out how to do this electrical properly. I'm going to stop using that generator, hopefully. That's the plan. We're going to get a Blue Eddy power station here. And I'm going to talk to Justin from Yurts Canada. Justin and Matt built this yurt for us last fall. I'll put a link in the description to the full yurt build. It's a great video, and you can see how strong this yurt really is. And so, yeah, I'm going to give Justin a call, and he's going to help me figure out how to keep things like this, power cords, nice and tidy within the yurt, hidden. And so for now, I'm just shoving everything up through the sidewall. I gotta make sure it's behind that insulation.
Yeah.
Do you see anything coming up behind the white?
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
In there?
Yeah, I guess feed seeds in it.
That goes with you. Oh, that must have got left.
Yeah, it froze over the winter. Look at that.
Do you have paper towel?
Popped right open. Going to keep it a little bit quieter, and it's going to keep the rain off it. All that rain we're expecting for the next couple of days, this is going to be a nice way to protect the generator.
That button won't work. Okay, we're on our way into town right now, and I was calling around looking for augers that I could drill holes with, and we located one. And so it's about an hour drive for us this morning.
Your destination is on the left.
Hi, Puff. All right, this is what we're going with. It's a 4-stroke Honda, so I only need to worry about gas. And we got an 8-inch right here, and we got a 6-inch right here. And we have, it looks like a 1-foot extension. So I should be able to get down maybe 3.5 feet, 4 feet. There we go. Okay. There we go. There you go ahead there. I'll be back in a week.
I'll be checking out the channel to see
Okay, awesome.
how the job went.
Thank you. Anthony, Jay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay, take care. Awesome.
How was that?
Good. You let me film him a little bit? We've had quite a bit of rain over the last couple of days, and the old generator box that I've built is working fine, keeping the rain off the generator. And hopefully we get our power station soon. We can stop using that and have all of our power, solar power, and running from inside the yurt. And every morning it's the same thing. This is a pull-out bed, right? So we put everything back, move all the furniture back, and then every night we take everything out and we roll out the bed, and it's pretty comfortable in there. Hey, Crystal.
It's good.
Still lots of organizing on the go. Trying to get a lot of the yurt figured out. Stuff is all over the place, but we're working on a system. And yesterday we got one of these sheds that you can build. We're gonna put it right next to the yurt. Well, just in the trees next to the yurt. And that will allow for us to put a lot of things in bins and store them in the shed.
borrowing a truck for the next couple of days. Our little Honda CRV that we bought for around here, like old secondhand vehicle, because we're only here like 2 months of the year, right? So we just wanted something that could get us around the province of Nova Scotia 2 months of the year. Anyway, yesterday I noticed something hanging underneath of the vehicle, and I went over, and it was a skid plate, plastic skid plate was drooping. And so I was like, oh man, I wonder if I can put that back up. And I felt oil all over my hands, and I was like, uh-oh. So we went to a guy who lives close by, and he's a mechanic, and he popped it up on a hoist and said we were out of transmission fluid, completely empty. And we had been driving around quite a bit, like a lot. We probably put like 500 or 600 kilometers on that thing, dripping transmission fluid. Anyway, he said, you can't drive it another inch, stop, and he's going to fix it for us. And now he's lent us Toyota for the next few days while we wait for the parts to come in. So that was pretty dramatic. Very lucky I noticed that part of the skid plate just kind of drooping underneath. Anyway, we got lots to do today. Now, one of the big problems around here is this ground is really, really wet. And the more it rains, the worse it gets. That's way worse than I thought. I gotta try to get out of here. This is not good. And that's not my truck. Back tire spinning like crazy. I just need to be able to grab something. That back tire spinning out. Oh. It's supposed to dry out over the next couple of days, so that'll do the ground some good, but it's been pouring for 2 days. Like really pouring. The first couple times I came down in, like our little CRV has a short wheelbase, right? All-wheel drive, it just easily just goes down over the bumps. Something with a longer wheelbase causes problems. It's stretched out longer. And that's it. We're walking down now. Whoa! Oh. Everything is wet around here. And I usually put a little rock underneath of it and just let it fill up. Here, look. Let's see if we can get her like that. This is fresh water right here. You could drink that. Comes from the spring. And there's a little hose that goes down right to the bucket. Homesteading, boy.
Pioneers.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. We're supposed to.
And then I'm gonna wipe this.
Okay.
It's really heavy.
Oh. Yeah, baby.
Rinse this off. It's almost like you want to like turn off the tap.
Yeah. I think after this trip we'll come back. We'll do the 4 buckets with lids.
Imagine me with my fucking bloodstones.
We got some big 50-gallon rainwater buckets, and we're just going to transfer that water from those buckets into those big gallons, and that's what we're going to use as our main water source. We have a hot water heater, and you can shower with it, do your dishes with it. Comes with a pressure sprayer, so it's like hot water on demand. There's the yurt.
Yeah.
But we are no longer driving down into this road. We just can't do it, hey.
Yeah, lesson learned for sure.
Look at the damage. Oh my gosh. Oh boy, whoa. Did not expect that. Yurt is awesome. Amazing in that yurt. Just love living in there. I'm gonna have to assemble it. That looks. So I just take this little nut off, put that through, and then screw it back on. We'll have a nice seal. And our plan is, once we build the deck here, shower outside. Only the deer can see us. I gotta refresh my memory for sure. Water pump, so this is the thing that needs the power. So I'm gonna run the water from here into here, heats up, and then up into the yurt. That's pretty good like that. So blue is water input, red is water output, and then you have your propane right there. Now red is extra long because you need it to reach where you're going. Lots of messing around trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. I need extensions and all kinds of things. I'll probably have to order a few new extensions. Okay. So the water goes to the fuel pump right there. And then that water goes all the way in. Red is the hot water out, and there's our propane right there. Last thing I need to do is plug it in. Whoa. Oh, they're kicking in. There we go. Yes. Oh, and that's hot. Yeah. Instant. Oh. Yes. Oh. I feel like that should just turn off on its own. Oh, we got water leaking too. We got water coming out right here. It's not a good seal. Right here is a bad seal. There. Oh, I was messing around, guys. Let's see, it'll blow right off. There we go. We're good. Yes. So we're coming in right underneath the stove here, and we're gonna have our wash table where the fridge has been. That's the plan. Yeah, that's a lot faster than going with the hand. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay. You think you got enough there? See if that blows off. Okay, it did not. Okay, it looks like it's working. That is hot. Look at the steam coming off of that. It tells you how cold it is outside today. That is good. Okay, we are good.
This thing has a filter on it. I'm getting little leaves going down in here. Just coming off of the trees and everything blowing around. So that helps, that little filter. I'd like to have both of those jugs filled at all times. Just make me feel great about it. Let her drop. You got her?
Yeah.
Okay. This is important stuff. Let's see. Whoa. Whoa. Give it a sec here. Oh yeah. Perfect. That little hot water system's pretty decent, and I mean, we could use it long term, truth be told, because we're thinking about, like, this isn't Crystal's land, but we have the yurt here, and so we're going to start developing her land. That's the whole point of this, is using this Yurt's Canada yurt as a home base while we develop her land. She has land that was left to her from her parents, and it's untouched, needs a lot of work. And there's a river, like a nice little brook, like a big brook, you could say, eh? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a big brook, very fresh water, and we could just run a line straight into the river and then pump straight from the river. But we would need obviously a bunch of extensions, but that could work long term. Here's our setup for now. Now we still have this door sealed shut, and once we get the deck on the go, we'll open this up, but for now I'm okay with it. There's nothing that can happen out there anyway. You just open it up and you fall out, so that's fine like that. And we get some really strong wind, so I'm okay with it. Now, here we've got the kitchen area, and it looks way better. It looks so good in here right now. I'm very happy with this. And moving the fridge over here, the garbage can over here, just makes more sense. Centering these two things, balancing it out. This is the best spot in town right here. Sitting at this table, looking out at the beautiful scenery.
Yeah.
Josh, you like pepperoni pizzas?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Okay. It's a pizza. Baby. You can spread it. It's good. I'm gonna have Tabasco on mine.
Yeah.
There we go, perfect. Yes. There we go. There we go. Supper. Well, good morning, everybody. We have our patio wood here this morning. It got delivered first thing this morning. Crystal and I are just bringing it down from the road because, as you can see, it's just way too mucky for us to drive a vehicle down here. So I'm going to figure out this road eventually, but for now we're just carrying down all the wood, and it's just a great way to start the day. It really feels like a homestead type project. The yurt's amazing. We are loving it, like really loving. Every morning we wake up and say, this is just so beautiful. That's good. They're going on the other side where I laid those two pieces.
You might have to do a bit of cement.
Hey, good boy. Oh, I love you. I love you, puppy. this right here, it should be enough. Should be for a front deck. That's going to be 6x6, and a back deck that's going to be 8x8. That's the plan, and I'm even hoping I can have some sort of railing on it too. Maybe not necessarily the front, but the back will need rails for sure. So yeah, looks good. $2,000. $2,000. I got some cement as well, and I got some cement blocks. So these things aren't cheap, man. These things aren't cheap, but it's an investment for the future and the channel. Okay, I got 2 augers here. I'm gonna start with the 6 inch and see how hard it is to go down. I was talking to someone the other day who's used these. He lives around here. He said when you're going, if you catch a rock, it might just like jar you pretty hard. So I'm gonna do small and then work my way to the 8 inch and see how it goes. Four stroke. Oh yeah. Okay, so this right here is 5 feet. The door is centered with this, right? 5 feet on the nose. Actually, this is going to be an 8x6, 8 wide, 6 long. So I need to go 1.5 feet out that way and 1.5 feet out this way. I'm going to keep it super simple right now. I'm straight down here. I know this is just a little marker here. I don't have proper markers, but I need to go in because I want it to come underneath to hold up, to add some strength to this. So I need to go in as far as I can without hurting myself with that auger. If I have just a little bit of the beam right here underneath, it's going to give it extra stability. Then I'm going to build my deck out from underneath. There's going to be a little step here, just a little step. So right here is my point. It's like I'm underneath. So I got to be careful with this. Perfect. Right to the top. Gas on. Okay. Prime it. 1, 2, 3. I mean, does this thing just start turning right away? Woo! Yeah! Okay, now I'm going on a steep angle. I'm gonna have to straighten this out, and it looks like I'm coming to a complete stop. I'm gonna put on the 8 inch. Huge rocks down there. Holy smokes, boys. There's so many rocks. All these rocks right here, just stopping me in my tracks. I'm right around 2 feet. So, the thing is the frost is going to heave that at that height. I'm going to have a really hard time getting down to 4 feet. I'm moving over here because I want to take a break from that one. That one's frustrating for sure. And I'm wondering if this is going to be the exact same. It probably is. There's going to be lots of rock right here. But we're going for it. That one hurt. Wow. You can see he's filling up with water. Wow. Look at all those rocks coming up. Crazy. Okay, it's slowly going down. Taking a while. Looks just like chocolate milk. You can almost drink that. We got to go back into town and get the sono tubes. There's only one. There's only one within 100 kilometers. So we're gonna go get it. We got a 12-foot sono tube. This truck has an 8-foot bed, so it's perfect. Yeah, we're good. Thank you. Okay. Whoa! Good. There we go. So he's gonna come in down here. We're gonna cut around this big mud pile. Good, that's perfect, man. That's good. There he goes. Good little job for him to have. Okay, today was a really busy day and lots of stuff. Holy smokes. Been on the go for about 10 hours now, just moving and driving and grabbing and doing all kinds of things. And trying to dig those holes, not easy. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the morning, right back at it.
Last time using this generator as a full-time power source for the Yurt. Thing is solid. It can go about 10 hours on a full tank, which is impressive. Mind you, we aren't powering a lot in there, just lights at night, the fridge. We run a fan at night to keep air circulating. And we do have Starlink out here because, well, we want service. There's hardly any service without Starlink. And I edit here, right? I'm editing and I'm uploading from here, so I need a Starlink to do my job. But yeah, I should be getting the power station today. So the only thing I'll need the generator for now is to charge up that power station when it's cloudy out, because I will be getting a solar panel with that power station. So it's nice. I'm glad we've got the power station coming, and hopefully it's going to be a 3,000 watt unit. If we have the sun coming in, going through the unit, we'll have like up to 500 watts coming in. We won't have 500 watts going out at all, for sure. So it'll just always stay powered during sunny moments like this, and throughout the night when it's just draining its power. Wake up in the morning, either we use solar or we do a quick charge with the generator. That's how it'll work. Just like molasses. Look how dark that stuff gets, eh? Oh, I need gas. Yeah, I need gas. I'm gonna get a red light here if I don't have enough oil or if I have too much oil. Gotta give it a second. It'll shut off if it doesn't like the amount of oil I put in it. And what I'll do at the beginning, like watch. Okay, so that's like in an eco mode. And what I'll do for the first, I don't know, half hour, 45 minutes, I'll have it run full throttle. And then I'll slow it down. You don't want it in the slow mode all the time, right? Or the environmental mode, or whatever it is, the eco mode. I like to start it up. Any sort of build up that might be in there, give it full gas. Crazy, eh? That's just groundwater. It's nuts. And if I pour it that way, it's going to flow underneath of the Yurt. It won't come back because it's downhill. The auger works well, but it doesn't work great. So if I dig a wider hole, I'll be able to get at the rocks with my shovel better. And then I can dig down, pluck out the rocks, dig down, pluck out the rocks. It's probably going to take me a couple of hours per hole. If there were no rocks here, I'd be done. And it's all clay. So it's not easy digging. Look at this. And I'm gonna have to bring all this back in to fill around the sonotubes when time comes. Oh boy. It's crazy how many rocks are in there.
If you look closely, you can see the water starting to rush in just like that. Over on the left hand side, you see it rushing in? Does not take long. Two feet. Oh, I'm not going to get another foot. There's no way. Oh. I'm over 2 feet. I'm happy with that. These holes are taking hours to do, for sure. And the one with all the water over there, like I'm going back and forth. Once I get fed up with the hole, I want to go over to another one and see if it just makes me feel different about the whole situation. So I still have a ways to go over on that other one. But look at the rocks. It's non-stop. Rocks like this. And it just stops this thing dead in its tracks. It just spins and spins and spins. It won't go beneath the rocks. So I'm shoveling, going down, shoveling, going down. And you can see I'm almost 3 feet. So doing pretty good. 29 inches, that's good enough. It's just like clay. Okay, thank you. That's good. Go. This guy's 28 inches down, so there's 2 feet and 4 inches right here, and the other one is 2 feet and 6 inches right there, right there. Okay, we have a cement mixer coming. A guy who lives close by, his name is Johnny. Was just up at his place, hooked up a cement mixer to his quad, and he's going to be on his way down here very shortly, and this is going to save me so much time. We're looking good. This is all going to start to settle, and that's the first post. We'll pour that one when Johnny arrives to get it all figured out how to do it. Perfect. How's that? Yeah. So as long as this is covered at night?
Yeah.
Is that the most important part?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's electric? Okay.
Electric motor.
Yeah.
And an on-off switch.
Yeah.
And the belt runs the barrel.
Okay.
All you do is pull this pin.
Yeah.
See, there's the different holes here.
Okay.
So you pull the pin.
Oh.
Okay, so you can put it wherever you...
Oh, okay. So, I get it now. That makes more sense.
So you can put it right there. That's a good height for you.
Yeah.
And then when you go to dump it, you just pull it and you can dump it
Into my bucket.
into your bucket. Yeah. That's it.
Whoa.
There's blades inside that's
Yeah.
what mixing it, right?
Yeah. Oh, it wasn't light moving all them last night.
I don't imagine.
No. Okay, so you got some water in.
Got some water in.
Not a lot.
No.
I'm making a mess. Whoa! Yeah, I see what you're saying about the proper hole. There we go. It's catching me. Okay, let's see what you're doing. That's what you do, yeah. So that right there isn't very much water, and that's 2 bags. Okay.
I don't know if I put that in, Jay.
We're gonna wait it out. Oh, okay, yes. Very good, Johnny. That's good. Man, that did not take long.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, she's gonna want to go away.
Yeah, this is working well. Well, then wasn't lying. It's pushing all the water up.
Yeah.
And there he goes. Great help. Pretty sure another 2 bags and I'll be able to have that other one filled in, and it is what it is. I'm going with what I'm going with. No, no, no. Guide, right? Yeah. And we don't want too much as that bucket's gonna be. Keep going. I really got to work on how much water I'm using for how much cement, because I have a bit of waste now, a bit of excess, and that's never good. So yeah, I'll figure it out over time. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. The deck is next, and lots of action, lots of things happening in this episode. And hopefully, now that I've done this, the next time I do it on the other side, because I got to do cement posts on the other side for a bigger deck, for the shower deck, all that sort of stuff, it'll be easier, right? That's what I'm hoping for. Anyway, we are loving this yurt. We are loving the yurt. We really are. We're talking about it all the time, and we're alone in there. It's like, this is so amazing and so beautiful. Anyway, I had a great time. I hope you guys did too. Thanks so much for watching. I'll be back really soon.